So you're looking at your ELLIPAL app and you see two ways to get crypto: swap and buy. They both sound like you're acquiring a digital asset, but they're fundamentally different processes. Understanding this distinction is key to managing your portfolio efficiently and securely. Let's break down buy first. When you buy crypto on ELLIPAL, you are using fiat currency. That's your traditional government-issued money, like USD, Euro, or GBP, to purchase a cryptocurrency, say Bitcoin or Ethereum. You're bringing new money into the crypto ecosystem. This process is handled by a third-party payment provider like Simplex or Banxa. Because fiat is involved, you'll almost always need to complete a KYC, or Know Your Customer process, which involves providing personal identification. Think of buy as the on-ramp. You're trading dollars for digital assets. The crypto you buy is then sent directly to your secure ELLIPAL cold wallet address. Now, let's look at swap. The core difference here is that zero fiat currency is involved. When you swap, you are exchanging one cryptocurrency you already own for another. For example, you might swap your Bitcoin for Ethereum or convert some volatile altcoin into a stablecoin like USDC. It's a crypto-to-crypto trade. This process is typically facilitated by integrated exchange services like Changelly. Since you're staying within the crypto world and not dealing with fiat, you don't need to complete a KYC process. You're simply diversifying your crypto holdings without injecting new outside funds. Buy equals fiat crypto requires KYC/personal info. Involves a payment gateway. Swap equals crypto, no fiat, generally no KYC. Involves an exchange service. Both features are designed to be fast, convenient, and, most importantly, secure on the ELLIPAL platform. Whether you're buying crypto for the first time or simply rebalancing your existing portfolio, ELLIPAL ensures the new assets land safely in your air-gapped cold storage. Ultimately, the choice between swap and buy comes down to what you're starting with. Do you have fiat to invest? Use buy. Do you have crypto you want to trade for another asset? Use swap. Both functions provide a seamless, secure way to manage your assets directly within the ELLIPAL ecosystem. You can see an example of how to use one of these features in this video on how to buy crypto easily and securely with ELLIPAL. This video provides a step-by-step tutorial on the buy function, which is one half of the difference you were asking about.